Flame, oxygen, precision, every component working exactly as it should. That's Oxyfuel technology.
Hello everyone, myself Vikas Verma, and today I am going to introduce the messer cutting system Oxyfuel standard products for brazing, cutting, heating and allied process. So this is our pressure regulator, having so many safety features, like it is having this forged brass body with pressure locking facilities, and it is having the two gauges, input pressure gauges and output pressure gauges for showing the input and output pressures. And its safety feature is having the pressure release valve. And now we come to the flashback arrestor. So our flashback arrestor having first facility is dust filter for protecting to enter the contamination or dust particles inside the gas hoses. And it is having the flame arrestor, non-return valve and temperature sensitive cutoff valve. So flame arrestor works at the time of flashback. It stop or extinguish the fire from is the safety features, and non-return valve does not allow the gas go back at the time of flashback. And its special features is thermosensitive cutoff valve. At the time of hose burn back, the gas, the fire is inside the hose and traveling towards the cylinder. That time this temperature sensitive cutoff valve function is activated at the temperature of 95 to 98 degrees centigrade, and this internal spring will be expand and stop to allow to enter the gas, the fire inside the cylinder. However, this flashback arrestor will sacrifice, but it will stop a heavy explosion. This is a regulator side flashback arrestor, the bigger flashback arrestor, and this is a smaller flashback arrestor for gas cutting torches. Our gas cutting hoses conform to ISO 3821, and its reinforcement is high tensile synthetic textile filament yarn, and its outer cover is weather resistant on ozone resistance outer layer with synthetic rubber. And come to the part of gas cutting torch. This is our gas cutting torch conformed to IS 7653 with ISI mark embossing here, and its length is 510 mm, and we are providing the silver brazing here for joining this SS seamless tube with the head. And we are providing the anodized aluminum handle for making it lighter weight, and we are having the detachable connection here for connecting the oxygen and fuel gases. Means if you are finding any type of leakage, so that you can change the connector from here, and this torch is not use and throw. And we are providing the nozzles here. Nozzle length is 89 mm. This is our Profi-cut torches, and seeing the beauty of this torch, and it is very lighter, means its weight is 1050 gram. And we are having all the solution of gas cutting torches, heating equipment, and we are having all the type of regulators, high pressure regulators, low pressure regulators, high type flashback arrestor, high flow regulators. We are having all the ranges, and we are also available in social networking site like LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching this video.
Every product you just saw, regulators, torches, hoses, nozzle, and flashback arrestor, engineered, manufactured and supplied by Messer Cutting Systems India. One source, complete range of gas equipment.